You don't know who you're talking to. I see you. Listen, you messed up real bad. Just switch on you like that. The more friends you have, the more people you have. Listen, you're not safe. Hi gorgeous people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Naomi Labelle. I am back again with a new video. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Naomi. Welcome. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you stay tuned, okay? Anyways guys, let's get started to these videos. As you all can see already from the title, today is just going to be get ready with me. So I'm just going to be prepping myself a bit and we're just going to be chit-chatting, you know. We're just going to be talking as well. Remember, this platform is all about positivity, no negativity in this platform. So if you're about negativity, listen the door. But anyways, yes, let's get started. So I'm just gonna create my face. I'm not gonna be doing much with my eyebrows anyway. Sorry guys, I had to quickly do my eyebrows off camera because when I haven't fixed it up, it gives me trouble, and I don't want to be crying on camera. I use this como si there. You know, I don't understand. And you know, family members that say, you know, family is family, you stick by them no matter what they do to you, no matter the pain they cause you. Someone who's toxic, they still want you to stick by them. Someone who doesn't respect you, someone who's always lowering you down, speaking low about you because you're family and you have to stick by them. Like, listen, yeah, I don't agree with that. A toxic person is a toxic person. It does not matter if you're my family or not. Like, why should I stick by you when you're like hurting me? You know what I mean? Family is family, of course, but come on, someone who doesn't like you, someone who don't rate you like that, you know, it doesn't matter. Like, you can come out from the same mother, the same father, but they still just have that hate towards you. They wouldn't support you as someone who's not your family would. You know what I mean? Just stay with them. You know, they are your sister, they are your brother, they are your auntie. You know, like, I'm sure they didn't mean what they did. Like, listen, we are all grown people. We are grown people. You know exactly what you're doing. You know exactly what you're doing. So don't expect me to just be there. So like, listen guys, don't be tricked, yeah, by people. They know what they did to you. They're gonna try play like the good guy, play the good person. Yo, don't be tricked by those people. And you know what, there's a lot of people who are like that. But to believe as a bongo, like, it's not even a joke, guys. Be careful who you're calling family and who you're calling your friends as well. You know what I mean? You can be with someone for over years, like 5 years, 10 years. You'll never clock them. You'll never clock that they are actually your biggest hater. You'll never clock it until you actually get yourself into a deep situation. And that's when you see the true face, the true color. Like, that person never really rated you like that. You know, they were just there waiting for a moment for them to, like, you know, for them to show the true face. That's what I don't believe in. Like, you know,
just stay by them, they're your family.
My friend, get out of here, man. Get out of here. What do you guys think? Like, what do you lot think? It just pisses me off when I hear like, oh, they are still your brother, they are still your sister, just stick by them. Like, so when they hurt me so bad, you still expect me, you still want me to stick by them? Like, no, stop that.
Stop it. Get some help.
Because it did not happen to you. That's why you're saying that it did not happen to you. That's why a lot of people, they'll have the balls to say things like, oh, you know, stay by them, because it did not happen to them. When it happens to you, then you will know how that person felt. You will know, oh, why this person had to walk away. This world is getting bad, guys. It's getting absolutely bad. Like, a lot of people are doing bad things is now praised. And you know what, guys, and some people think because you walked away from them that you don't love them, you know, that you don't rate them like how you used to. Listen, it's not even about that. I can love you from far. I just have to protect myself. You know what I mean? I can love you from far. Like, we don't have to be seeing each other. Yes, social media, it's there for a reason. You know, you watch my story, you know I'm okay. I know you're okay, you know, even though me sometimes I don't watch people's story, you know. You know, I have to protect myself. So guys, remember to always protect yourself, to always put yourself first, because listen, if you lose yourself, what's that song Beyonce said? If I lose myself, I lose it all. Listen, like, listen, you have to protect yourself at all cost, you know. You have to. Do you know what? There are some families out there, no matter how bad one of them do, you know, to others, no matter how disrespectful they were to other people, they will still stand by them, and which is fine, you know what I mean. I get you, that's your blood, you know what I mean. But listen, don't expect people who are not your blood to stay close to you like that, you know. Like, you show your true color, you show who you are. There's other family members, as soon as you like mess up, like they'll let you know, like, listen, you messed up real bad and I'm not gonna stick by you like that. You know, you're my brother, you're my cousin, you're my sis, but I need to let you know the truth. Because people are smart, they'll disrespect you in the low key and then you forgive them, and guess what, they'll even disrespect you like in public, and you don't even want to give them that chance. So you just have to go away, you know, you love them by far, okay, and that's not a problem. That's why I respect people who do that, like they distance themselves, which is good. Distance yourself, babe. Like, protect your husband, protect your wife, protect your kids, you know what I mean. I don't know if you guys watched the Love Island. Whitney was like, disrespect is disrespect, you know what I mean. So it don't matter, like, oh, family or friends, like, it's still disrespect, you know what I mean. I see you, you know, for who you are. You were hiding before, you know what I mean. So don't go back and befriending them again, being friends with them again. Remember, a snake, you find a snake and you go being friends with that snake again, you're basically giving them the chance to be more bigger, you know, to hurt you, like to strike you again, like, if you didn't know, you know what I mean. A snake will always be a snake, like, a snake will hide. Oh yeah, guys, if you're Congolese, you know this song, what's it called? So that means, it basically means you can show yourself as a good person, you can, you know, whatever, like, yeah, nazamutu bien, like, I'm a good person, but people will still notice you, they will still know you the way you behave, like the way you are, like the way you behave, so they'll still know you. So sorry guys, I keep cutting some bits because I don't want the video to be too long. I forgot what's the name of it. I forgot the title of the song. It's by Fally Ipupa. So let's go to the next topic that I wanted to talk about. If you watched Love Island this season, the season that just finished, the UK one, Tyreek, he basically was having a go at Whitney and Lockham for pillow talking. Lockham told Whitney, his girl, what the boys talk about, what the boys chat about, and basically Tyreek was like, listen, like, you know, you're pillow talking a lot with your girl, something like that. I don't agree with the way Tyreek spoke to Whitney, like telling Whitney to shut up and that. I do not agree about that, but I agree and I see where he's coming from by saying, oh, you don't need to tell your girl everything. So, which is true, like, and Michelle, is it Michelle? Where did I get Michelle? Michelle was like, bro code, you know, like the bro code. So nowadays, guys, the girl code, the bro code, it's not being as how it used to be. Like, you know how, like, if my girl told me something, like, you know, it's between me and my girl, you know, the other female that I had a conversation with, I don't need to let my man know about it, you know, unless it's something that, you know, emergency, or, you know, they are in pain, you know what I mean, so we can help. But if it's something that was spoken, like, I don't need to say it out to my man, like, oh, this is what we talk about, we chat about, you know. I don't need to do that. It's not valued, or it's not rated like it was before, which I agree as well. The conversation you have with your best friend, it has to stay with your best friend. You don't need to tell your man about it. But it's so crazy how some women, they think they're smart, you know. They think they're smart by basically telling their man the conversation that, you know, you basically had with them, and then they think, oh, you wouldn't know. Like, girl, I know where the source came from because I told you. It's so sad, guys. Nowadays, like I said, the world is going crazy. You don't need to do that. Why are you causing drama? Like, why are you doing that? You don't need to. I told you, and I know exactly what I told you, and what your mind was talking about. I knew exactly where it came from because I spoke to only you. They think you wouldn't clock it. They think you wouldn't know. Listen, you know when you're too private, you're private and you know exactly what you tell people. Then listen, you can't fool people like that. When you're too private, you know exactly what you tell them. And if it comes out from someone, you know where it came from because you only spoke to that person. I'm okay, look in my bed. This world is getting scarier. It's so sad as well. Like this generation, you don't know who you're talking to. You don't know what information you're telling people. You don't want to overshare just in case Bazaba Tumoko boy, they don't know how to shush them out. You know what I mean? Now we're seeing friends are hurting friends because of, oh, what she said, what she told me, what she did, blah 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 blah. People nowadays are scared to make friends because of those things. Betrayal! You betrayed me! You betrayed me! So I do get why some people are afraid of making friends because of betrayal. Betrayal is like, it's an easy thing nowadays. Someone can just betray you, like someone that you've known for 10 years, let's say 5 years. They can just switch on you like that, you know. They can just switch on you like that. They forget the meaning of the friendship. But I totally agree with Ty. You know, you don't need to tell your man, your girl, like everything. So now I just go with my matte bronzer. It's about to finish anyway. I need to get a new one. It's hard, you know, with the topic that I brought up, you know, the family, toxic family and friends, and the girl code and boy code, you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna put any lashes on because if you know me, you know I struggle to put lashes on, but I still manage at the end of the day. I don't know how I still do it. Where's my where is my mascara? I'm just gonna add mascara on. But I hope you know who your real friends are. You know who your real people are. You know what I mean? I hope you do know them. And you know what? One thing I do not agree is that some people think having more people, more friends, that they are safe. Listen, the more friends you have, the more people you have. Listen, you're not safe. You're not. You're not. So if you have that small local, you know, you have that small friend, you know, small circle basically, then you can relax a bit. At least you know them. But people still change though. It's sad. It's sad, guys. People still can change. But anyways, eventually you will know them. So yeah, if a friendship is true and it was meant to be, it will stay strong and it will continue being. But if it's not something that was meant to be, it will crumble on its own. It will scramble or crumble. It will break on its own, guys. Listen, it will absolutely break on its own. You know, what's meant to be, it will be. Like people say, it is what it is. You know what I mean? It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Sorry, I'm putting back my banana baking powder bake. Like, I don't want it to be messy and then I have to clean it up again. Like, it's giving what is it giving? It's giving messiness. Let me just put my setting spray and then I think we should be okay. Like I said, it's just at home. I'm at home. I'll be at home. Simple. I love this wig. It's actually nice. Do you know what? It's so good the way, you know, I just love styling them. You know what I mean? You know, sometimes you just have to look good for yourself. Fix yourself a bit. So if you're watching this part, then listen, thank you. Subscribe if you're not, okay? Like, and if you want to see more of my videos like this, let me know as well. I had to close the curtain because it wasn't giving, you know. Like, I had to make sure you guys are focused on me, but you can see the sun is shining outside. I don't know, maybe I might go out a bit, but like, I know myself the way I do. I don't think so. I hate to leave, but I have to. But no, I love you lot so much. Yeah.
Keep it umbrella. I'm tryna love you like a gangster.